Pineapples are one of those fruits that instantly make you think of warm beaches, tropical vibes, and refreshing summer drinks. Pineapples don't grow from seeds. Instead, farmers use a method called vegetative propagation. Basically, they plant the top of a pineapple, that leafy crown you see, or even pieces of the stem from an existing plant to grow a new one. You know, a significant portion of Dole's pineapple supply comes from its own plantations in Costa Rica and Hawaii. These large-scale farms are dedicated to producing pineapples that meet their specific quality standards. Companies like them trains workers to identify the right moment to harvest, using visual cues, color, shape, and even specialized tools to check ripeness. When they get the green signal, they start harvesting those fresh and bulky pineapples, which are packed with lots of sweet, juicy pulp. The harvesting terms includes checking for color uniformity, a firm texture, no soft spots, and a clean crown. Also, that pretty simple yet effective machine setup is a great practice to make that hectic process way simpler for farmers. After sorting and inspection, the chosen pineapples are subjected to an initial rinse. This step involves spraying the fruit with water to remove loose dirt and debris. When you pick up a pineapple at the store, its rough, spiky exterior might not scream clean, but modern factories use sophisticated methods to ensure that every pineapple is thoroughly washed and safe to eat. Their tough, uneven skin can trap dirt, microbes, and residues from the field. The belts send the pineapples through a mechanical washing machine that uses powerful jets of water that blast away loose dirt. Now the pineapples as a whole fruit get packed into the boxes that are then tightly sealed to keep the fruit safe and fresh during transportation. Yeah, right. What about those who use canned pineapples? Want to see how it's done at the back end? Served. You may think, why these ones are getting harvested by hand? Simple. For canned fruits, they always reach to the fully ripened ones because they've pretty much denser taste. So the pineapples are exposed to water mixed with food-safe sanitizers, such as chlorine dioxide or ozone, removing any remaining dirt and bacteria that the initial wash didn't reach. You just saw how peeling is all done by machines, leaving just the juicy fruit behind. Why machines, you ask? Well, they can peel a pineapple much faster and more efficiently than by hand, and they do it without wasting any of the good parts. After being sliced into perfectly long pieces, the machines rearrange the trays so those long slices could be cut into equal chunks, the product we were looking for. But this one's for plastic bags packaging. Check out the speed though. Those machines at high speed easily seal the bags, locking in all the juicy freshness in seconds. Don't get confused. Those rings are going to get chopped just the right size you want for your cocktails. Those advanced machines cut pineapples into small, even pieces for easy packing and consistent sizes. Some factories spray the chunks in a food-grade antioxidant solution like any vitamin C to keep the fruit from browning. They want those golden pieces to stay camera-ready even after months in the can. When the sliced pineapples are gently placed in clean metal cans, Some sweet preservative syrup or pineapple juice is added to each can to keep the fruit flavorful and fresh. Hey, I hope I didn't bother you much. Let me ask, are you enjoying the scenes?
A natural golden nectar that not only sweetens your life but also heals and nourishes your body with every nutritional rich drop. In this video, we're going to take you through a rare traditional method of harvesting honey in bulk. So don't move or those stingy honeybees going to get you. When a bee egg hatches, it's like a beautiful miracle in action. Out pops a legless, featureless white grub that looks like a gummy worm. You know, those hexagonal wax cells in the hive are their natural, perfect design to protect larvae, store precious food, especially during scarce winters, and help maintain the hive's structure and temperature. These bees fly from flower to flower, gathering sweet nectar using their tube-like tongue from blossoms. They store this precious nectar in their honey stomach, separate from their regular stomach. Probably the bravest man on earth. Kidding. It's kind of important to prepare yourself with a beekeeper's suit, helmet, and gloves for secure honey harvesting. Using the smoke effectively calms the bees, making the inspection process both efficient and respectful of their hard work. Here, the hive tool is essential for separating frames, while the gentle bee brush helps manipulate bees without harm. One by one, each hive is carefully passed through a honey brush, separating the bees with safety and care. Using this process, the bees are expertly separated, and their nectar-filled hives are skillfully transferred into neatly arranged boxes. I really want to salute this woman for not even wearing any gear to protect herself from those stingy bees. I would never do that. Human hands have always been skillful and experienced in every task. The honey hive boxes are now transported to the factory, where they are systematically moved through the first step of processing, which is removing the top layer of the hive, going to show you in a sec. This natural and magical goodness is packed with one of the rare benefits which is going to change your entire healthy eating plans. So stick around. I'm going to tell you guys in a few moments. This would be all done with the help of some common machinery. So first let them set the honeycombs and check it out. As the process begins, the machine removes the outer top layer from the both sides of honeycombs, maintaining its pure, golden honey. This is important so that we can reach directly to the honey, as it's not that easy to access because of bees' creativity. The boxes already begin to expose and release honey at some points, but the major quantity is still inside the combs, which are being deported to the further machines. One by one, each honeycomb tray is set inside the machine, so they open the closed hives to get to all of the honey the bees were hiding. Now comes the spinning machine, which will literally dry up the honeycombs and extracts every drop of honey and constantly transfers it into the collectors. I also happened to witness this rare spinner back from Turkey, which is also the second largest producer of pure honey. The spinning process extracts the last drops of honey and thoroughly cleans the hives, making them ready for reuse. Now, the mixed honey is churned a little and then passed through built-in sieves so we get the pure, golden, flawless honey. Time to clean up, as this man recollects the honeycombs for further cleaning and reuse purposes, which clearly shows the process of making that delicious honey is never ending. The honey, stored in large containers, is kept at an optimal temperature to maintain its fluidity for easy pouring. The process typically begins with an automated filling machine. The jars are fed into the machine via a conveyor belt. Each jar is aligned under a filling nozzle to get the desired and fixed amount, while the nozzles are designed to minimize spillage and waste. At the sealing station, automated arms place lids onto the jars, and everything from here on goes so smoothly. So thanks to these automations which have helped the labor community a lot. Consuming a spoonful before meals can soothe the stomach and improve digestion thanks to its enzymes and antioxidants. So have some and stay healthy for us. You're now inside a honey spoon factory where they handpick the best honey for its amazing flavor. They don't just stop at regular spoons. They mold honey into cute spoon shapes using plastic or silicone. Each spoon gets sealed up tight with fancy film or foil, like wrapping a little gift. So you only grab, unpack, and use the honey without creating any mess. They pack them up in boxes or trays, ensuring each spoon travels safely until it reaches your kitchen. Liquid jam and biscuits create a delicious duo that's both flavorful and wholesome. The natural sweetness of jams enhances the taste of biscuits, adding a rich caramel-like depth that perfectly complements their crunchiness. Need something savory and crispy after a sweet treat? Look at these delicious sandwiches being prepared in no time. Say cheese slice? Consider it all done. Donut cakes are the ultimate versatile treat enjoyed in so many ways. They kickstart mornings perfectly with coffee or even tea, adding a sweet touch to breakfast. They're also the go-to for satisfying sweet cravings anytime. If you love cream-topped sponge cakes or thoroughly chocolate-dipped, you've got it all. I don't think we need to exaggerate anything about the chocolate dripping. It's anyone's first and pure love. Nobody's going to disagree, right?
Have you ever come across anyone who hasn't tried a McMuffin? It's hard to believe, right? When something this delicious captures attention, curiosity gets the better of us at least once. That's exactly what happened with the McMuffin. It carved out a permanent spot in the fast-paced world of grab-and-go breakfasts. To begin their bulk buns processing, giant mixers turn slowly at first, combining every ingredient smoothly. Another set of machines take over, and the dough is fed into it that cuts it into equal portions. As the empty molds move along, flour is sprinkled evenly. It's going to help prevent sticking, using just the right amount of flour before the dough balls are placed in the molds. Throughout that process, we can see the dough balls are perfectly shaped and they're ready to move to the proofing stage. Before that, machines have already dusted the trays with dry flour, so just when it's time for the dough ball to drop, they come in rolling and fall right into its dedicated mold. Now those balls are thoroughly covered with flour, and the credit goes to these amazing technologies. When the dough balls are placed in the pans, they are moved into a special proofing chamber to get puffed up. Proofing done, they're going to get into the baking pans, so the machines help them to place the previous trays over baking ones and flip them upside down. They're all set to become the soft and fluffy buns which McDonald's use for their very crowing McMuffins. For many of us, they're the ultimate quick and easy meal for busy mornings, and they claim the taste is so satisfying that it appeals them to get another one. Anyways, how would I know? But if you've tried one, we want to hear your stories. Did it become your go-to breakfast choice? Or maybe you've had a memorable moment while enjoying it. You're welcome to share your experiences with us. It all started in 1971 when Herb Peterson, a McDonald's franchisee in California, had a game-changing idea. Herb's creation was simple but genius: a poached egg, Canadian bacon, and cheese tucked between a toasted English muffin. People loved it. "Oh, it was you who called us." Many local factories don't even care about merging the sourcing of their raw materials, but it has a great impact in many aspects. We will discuss those as well later. So, McDonald's has made some exciting changes when it comes to the eggs they use. Right now, about 30% of the eggs they source come from free-range farms, and 70% of their eggs are still coming from their dedicated barns. Okay, the question is, why do they need to do this blend? First of all, to meet the higher demand, they have to get their eggs from different types of farms: barn-raised, free-range, and soon, more cage-free farms. Also, free-range eggs have slightly higher levels of important nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins compared to eggs from caged hens. McDonald's wants to provide customers with the best quality ingredients, and sourcing eggs from healthier, more natural environments is part of that effort. And you know, buying local also raises opportunities for the local people, and it's kind of contributing to the country's progress on a national level and helping to make the economy better. McDonald's is steadily increasing the percentage of free-range eggs they use, with a goal of reaching 90% cage-free eggs by 2025 in key markets like the US and Canada. This would be a big step. We can assume they're making sure in upcoming years they meet customer expectations while continuing to serve millions of meals every day. I know we've raised your expectations by bringing super intelligent technologies, but no, that's not how eggs are going to be made. Now comes the last main ingredient, the meat patty, and this is exactly how they make thousands of meat patties per hour. Okay, we all know originally a sausage patty is found in these McMuffins, but depending on different areas, various other options have been seen to serve every community. Likewise, at some places where beef is the most popular meat, factories focus on making beef patties, so the processing of serving McMuffins never stops. About the eggs, this is how those hundreds of poached eggs are made to be added in McMuffins. Yup, all manually and right at the spot. Obviously, you don't go to the restaurants to eat reheated meals. They don't show the behind the scenes of how our meals are getting prepared, but at least you got to see some from McDonald's. Is it satisfactory? You know, kids today absolutely love going to McDonald's. The sight of the golden arches makes them excited for delicious food like crispy fries and juicy burgers.
I'm sure you're just as curious as I am about how those ready meals we pick up at the store are made in factories. Yes, these massive factories buzz with non-stop energy, churning out thousands of meals in mere minutes. It all kicks off with pots filled with just the right amount of top-notch rice. As the water gets added, the pots are sealed up tight, letting the rice soak up the moisture and settle perfectly. Once it's the right time for cooking, the machines gently but firmly hold those pots, turn them upside down to drain off the water using sieves. Now the fresh water is being added in these pots to cook the rice up to perfect temperature and consistency. A robotic arm snaps the steamer's lid into place, and then these steam cookers roll out, getting seals attached to each pot as they go. Precise temperatures keep things from going messed up, avoiding any overcooking or undercooking, of course. When the rice is perfectly cooked, robotic arms step in again. They carefully transfer the pots onto rolling iron rods that guide them along the conveyor belt. It's all automated here, with no human hands involved in the cooking process. That is pretty cool, right? Rice is cooked and all set to pour into the trays, so let them fill the hopper first. After rice, crispy chicken pieces are added into the trays to complete the meal box along with pouring the sauces. Hey, it's not just one sort of meal boxes are being prepped. You will see the meal boxes filled with veggies and irresistible gravy. Boxes are filled, so before sealing the meal boxes, they are going to freeze these trays so they will remain fresh, flavorful, and preserved until you hit the store shelf and grab your favorite meal tray. As these trays glide along the conveyor belt to the sealing station, who wants to deal with anything less than 100% hygienic? That's why this sealing station is spotless. with super strict cleaning routines to keep every seal perfect and free from any contaminants. Now these meal trays are all decked out in their perfect wrap and sealed tight, of course. After sealing, the trays roll over to the labeling station, where they get tagged with all the key details like brand name, ingredients, and expiry dates. Once these boxes are packed to perfection, this last stop ensures each box is tightly sealed and ready to roll out. I am sure that my fitness enthusiasts are eager to witness how their daily salad trays are crafted in factories. Pile on a generous serving of fresh green veggies, keeping everything perfectly separated. So tender grilled meat slices are added too. That will take the game to the next level. And since healthy eats can't skip eggs, they're added too. These machines portion out spaghettis into these trays, giving each one just the perfect quantity. Then, the trays cruise down the conveyor belt to the sauce station. Here, machines drizzle a rich tomato-based sauce all over spaghetti, making sure each tray gets a big splash. Before we get into how your favorite crunchy banana chips are made, check out how these workers are sorting them to make sure every banana stays top-notch. When the bananas roll in on conveyor belts, they are peeled efficiently without damaging that delicate, crucial part. Why go for green bananas instead of ripe ones? If this ever clicks for you, it's pretty straightforward. Unripe bananas have a firmer texture and less sugar, which gives the chips that perfect crunch. Now these peeled bananas get sliced into thin, even pieces by these incredible slicing machines. After a wash bath, these slices are checked to make sure it's just the right thickness. The hot oil makes them crunchy and delicious, and of course, the crew rocks face masks and gloves to stay safe. The chips hit another conveyor belt to drain off excess oil and dry out, making them extra crispy. Once dried, the chips get seasoned with their tasty signature flavors, ensuring every chip is perfectly seasoned. Of course, any overcooked chips are sorted out to keep your snack game strong. Finally, the chips get sorted into perfect portions by this huge, high-tech portioning machine. This fascinating machine makes sure every packet has just the right amount of chips. After savoring those hearty meals, don't you think it's time for something sweet to wrap things up? The filling we all love with every crunchy bite. First, some secret ingredients mix up in this huge machine, where sugar, coconut, and creamy butter team up to create that unbeatable flavor. Once the thick mixture is ready, it gets sliced into perfect pieces by these high-tech blades. It's time for the real treat. These bars are about to take a dip in a rich, flowing chocolate waterfall. And of course, it's crucial to take notes to make sure everything's on point. The chocolate coats each bar just perfectly, giving it that glossy, mouth-watering finish. We just can't get over it. This is exactly where they get their irresistible chocolatey vibe. So after their chocolatey bath, they glide through a drying tunnel where some cool air helps the chocolate set, creating a crispy, delicious shell. The chill time helps them set just perfect, giving them a flawless finish. It's crucial to keep tabs on the temperature as it makes sure to prevent any melting or uneven coating so every bite stays deliciously consistent. Once they're spot on, the bars are carefully sealed and packed. Each one is placed in its box, all set to hit the shelves and bring that sweet satisfaction. Ever wondered how some of your favorite ice creams get from the farm to your freezer? Dude, prepare yourself to witness the incredible transformation. But first, let's talk about how they get the fresh and tasty milk from these cows. It's all about advanced technology that is used from their care to the milking process. As soon as they finish milking the cows, the entire milk is immediately transferred to their dedicated facilities. So the milk gets pasteurized and to test whether the milk is good enough to proceed. Once the milk gets its own place in the mixing chambers, further ingredients like cream, sugar, and other stabilizers are added and whisked in those large blending tanks. Check out that creamy consistency. As this ice cream is prepared, it is whisked at lower temperatures, probably freezing the mixture at the same time, to achieve that creamy and fluffy texture of an ice cream. Now the ice cream mixture is prepared, so it is being sent into the further depositors bit by bit, from where the real magic will begin. These precision blades effortlessly slice through the creamy goodness, creating perfectly symmetrical portions. Automated machines then slide each stick into the ice cream, transforming these creamy treats into handheld masterpieces. The robotic arms are all around to help in every little task. For example, now they hold each ice cream with pure gentleness, so they can take a dip into the rich and smooth chocolate pool. Check out the luscious ice cream takes a dip in a velvety chocolate bath, emerging with a glossy coating for that irresistible crunch in every heavenly bite. From heating to packaging, the robots make sure everything runs smoothly without any breaks, so the ice creams are always tasty. Temperature is super important here. They nail it by keeping things perfectly cool, so every scoop is spot on. Remember those childhood ice cream cones we all have a long history with? Let's be real, ice cream cones are the ultimate pleasure anytime, anywhere. So a cool blast sets the creamy goodness in the cones just right. If you can easily resist these ice creams, dude, our vibes don't match. But wait, we have a lot more options ahead. So stick around and let me know which ice cream you like the most. These sleek robotic arms are segmenting ice cream cones for easy packaging, while the packaging paper is being prepped and now it's ready. So these ice cream cones are being securely packed into these massive cartons. A bunch of robotic arms slice the ice cream into pieces and automatically sandwich them between biscuit layers. The whole process is fully automated, making it efficient and precise. These robots work together to ensure that every ice cream sandwich is perfectly made, with no need for human intervention. Buddies, now we must step back and let these machines rocket quietly, constantly hustling to churn out these ice cream buckets. You gotta admit, modern ice cream factories are tech wonders, which can easily handle the bulk work, even if it's pouring an ice cream or just packing it into beautiful wraps. From crafting epic flavors to perfecting creamy textures, these factories transform simple ingredients into pure joy, sparkling smiles, and sweet moments in every bite. How beautifully these nozzles pour creamy ice cream into perfect-shaped molds. As these sticks slide in, they transform them into handheld masterpieces. Check out these robotic arms, dipping each ice cream bar halfway into a luscious chocolatey dream. Meanwhile, the wrappers get ready and look how gracefully they are lined up, just ready to be packed by these automated machines. Vanilla ice cream bars are the ultimate treat. They're creamy, sweet, and have that perfect vanilla flavor that never gets old. Each bite is smooth and rich, with a hint of vanilla that's just right. Whether you're chilling with friends or just need a snack, these bars are a go-to for satisfying your sweet tooth. Totally delicious and always a hit. As I told you guys that today we have everything for each one of you, so here comes the waffle ice cream sandwiches. Perhaps some of you may not know about these, but those who have tasted them can never go back. Waffle ice cream sandwiches are a mouth-watering treat.
In this video, we're going to show you the most ingenious factory-level heady machinery you've never seen before. If you like bunless meat more than bunny one, this machine will satisfy your eyes. As this whole chicken is put onto the deboning machines, where different neatly arranged blades make sure to scoop out the accurate breast pieces from the rest of the chicken. A little manual help is really appreciated for the surety of neat and smooth processing. This cheese slicing machine from Weber is literally the marvel of advanced engineering. Look at its quick slicing and bottom sheet placing strategy. If you own a cake shop, you need to match its working efficiency and quick styling. Though, I like the second machine whose job is to make the green flowers only. An apple sorting and washing line helps the workers to do this task as early as possible and with superb convenience. They just have to load the freshly harvested apples baskets, and the advanced robotic arms will handle the rest, while the amazing conveyor belt and auto washing systems make the entire effort to clean, sort, dry, polish, and pack the apples. Yep, that's the reason why you get cleaned apples from supermarkets. Enjoy watching this amazing cream depositor. To not just imagine but watch this busy pizza factory where a couple of machines and amazing tools help to generate hundreds and thousands of pizzas in 24 hours. This impressive system effortlessly kneads, shapes and bakes the dough so the various spreaders can do their magic and spread the other knick-knacks to enhance their flavorings. If you like watching our videos, make sure to hit the like button so we will stay positive to keep on creating more amazing videos for you, and don't forget to subscribe to this machine world. Okay, it's happening now. This ingenious machine efficiently deposits precise portions of ingredients onto the trays, revolutionizing the way meals are assembled in bulk. With its speed and accuracy, it's going to be a remarkable change in the food industry. streamline the slicing process with these tricks, it definitely ensures consistent thickness and quality every time, along with saving time and labor costs. In today's fast-paced world, these sorting machines are like true helpers, ensuring that consumers enjoy consistently high-quality pomegranates in their favorite products, from juices to salads, with every bite. And the plus art is they can definitely trust on such food industries that work hard to bring convenience to their consumers. These clever machines efficiently package popcorn kernels in large quantities, ensuring freshness and convenience for consumers. It's a pretty interesting method in delivering the beloved popcorn treat for movie lovers everywhere. Looking to elevate your bagel production? Check it out. It simplifies the entire process, from mixing the dough to shaping and baking, with efficiency at its core. Specifically designed to meet the demands of modern manufacturing, this line ensures consistent quality and output every time. Here's that magic machine that effortlessly swirls out perfectly melted chocolate, just as you like. Have you ever witnessed a dance choreographed by technology? Well, watch this system as it pushes those boxes towards the carton packaging, leaving a lasting impression to the viewers even after you watch the whole video. If you do like our content, must tell us through your comments, so we will keep making videos for you. You can also mention what machines we should bring next, and don't forget to press that like button. Within the food processing line, it boosts productivity and meets demand with ease. I don't need to tell you how delicious those potato snacks are. You tell me, are you one of those who consume potato snacks almost every day? Which one do you like the most? And did you ever notice how your favorite snacks have been made? Watch again. Its importance in the production line cannot be overstated, as it ensures efficiency and consistency every time, so the consumers can simply enjoy the effortless slices no matter what recipe they're going to try. If you haven't seen those industrial printers before, you must take a moment to appreciate how beautifully it works to print carton boxes to other materials. This dough is then flattened and shaped into uniform discs by automated machines. Next, the flatbreads pass through a series of ovens where they are baked to perfection, giving them that irresistible golden brown hue. Once cooled, they're ready to be packaged and shipped off to the consumers worldwide. Welcome to the world of industrial chicken skin peeler factory machines. Yeah, they are true marvels of modern manufacturing that make the process of removing chicken skin a breeze. Chickens pass through these machines, and with a gentle touch, the skin is efficiently peeled off, leaving behind perfectly prepared poultry. As this barbecue line works in a quiet harmony, let me make it more poetic. Don't underestimate them. They are specialized machines that dance to the rhythm of precision, crafting the essential tools for your next brilliant adventure. Transforming those raw materials into perfectly sized and shaped barbecue sticks is the best thing to watch today. Can you imagine a world without cakes? Never ever. So why not appreciate these inventions that are working so smooth for our sweet cravings? As it is getting ready to reach you, let me talk about a few benefits of chicken that make it a staple in many diets. First off, chicken is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. With their crisp texture and sweet tart flavor, biting into a fresh apple is like experiencing a burst of natural goodness. While we talk about some ingenious machines, tell us if you want to watch more videos like these, and what else we should bring on in our next video. Food factories have become so much popular these days as they are not only satisfying but also productive for bunch meals. As they're getting their best treatment here, take a moment to hit that like button. With their nimble arms and precise sensors, they handle delicate decorations with finesse, from frosting swirls to chocolate depositors, creating mouth-watering treats ready for packaging. Reading books feels like wrapping yourself in a cozy blanket of words, calming your mind and soothing your soul with each page turned. If it is the matter, type yes. Some machines like these are equipped with advanced sensors and precision controls to ensure that each bell pepper is carefully packaged without any damage or bruising. This precision packaging not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your product, but also extends its shelf life. Finding the right balance in consuming chicken is key to a healthy diet. Ideally, incorporating chicken into meals a few times a week provides a good mix of protein and nutrients without overdoing it. Whether grilled, baked or roasted, opting for lean cuts like chicken breast helps keep fat intake in check. Additionally, varying the cooking methods and pairing chicken with plenty of vegetables ensures a well-rounded meal. Remember, moderation and diversity are key when it comes to enjoying chicken as part of a balanced diet. After those typical barbecues, you must try these fresh, juicy, and tender barbecue sticks. Well, you can also make them at home for ultimate cravings. Peas pack a powerful punch. Their low-calorie and high-protein content make them a great addition to weight management plans, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Their versatility makes them suitable for breakfast, brunch, or a tasty snack any time of day, with their delicious aroma and melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Never gonna tire of watching these machines working in so much tune. How much cheese do you consume every day? I really want to know so I can know, am I the only cheese freak in this world who's badly in love with it? People love blueberries not just because they taste delicious, but also because they're super healthy. These little berries are packed with good stuff like vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Plus, they're so versatile, you can use them in lots of different recipes. If you love watching such videos, I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel so you can have them whenever you have some time. Perfectly rounded with the help of those genius machines. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here. Get ready to be introduced to a whole new level of food manufacturing technology with these mind-blowing machines. That's the marvel of the factory cake cutting unit. When they beautifully slice through cakes of all sizes, they ensure consistent portions every time, just making our celebrations even sweeter. A printing machine that effortlessly transforms digital designs into tangible creations is right here. From farm to table, these bell peppers are sealed with care, preserving their vibrant colors, crisp texture, and delightful flavor until they reach your kitchen. Some fruit washing lines are equipped with cutting-edge technology, effortlessly designed to gently cleanse fruits while preserving their natural flavor, texture, and nutritional value. They guarantee a safe and hygienic eating experience for you and your family. You can trust that each fruit undergoes a meticulous pitting process, resulting in seedless fruits for convenient use in any recipe. Witness a process where raw ingredients are combined seamlessly to transform into perfectly formed crackers through precision molding and baking. Without them, the mass production of crackers would be a daunting task. Using smart sensors, they'd find the best apples, pick them carefully, and put them in packaging trays. It's basically meat that's been chopped up into tiny pieces. Mincemeat is super handy because it cooks quickly and evenly, making meal prep a breeze. They work by carefully separating the meat from the bones, leaving you with boneless chicken breasts ready to cook. Are you ready to watch some cool cookie packaging process? It's like having a magic helper in your factory. This machine does all the hard work of wrapping each cookie individually, so they don't have to worry about doing it by hand. Now they can simply keep up with demand without breaking a sweat. Let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is chicken. Chicken is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. Apart from protein, it's also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6. As they're getting their best treatment here, take a moment to hit that like button. Best ever icing. Making bread is a fun industrial kitchen science experiment. This mixture is needed to make dough. Then the dough rests to let the yeast work its magic, making the dough rise. You know that fresh and delicious aroma of freshly baked bread? The same nostalgia will be experienced here. Frozen raspberries are your cool companion in the world of berries. They are just rich in goodness for later enjoyment, either to get filled in any pie or make a jam. Satisfying packing industrial machines are like the superheroes of the manufacturing world, streamlining processes and ensuring products are perfectly packaged for consumers. These machines deliver consistent results that meet the highest standards every time. Cheese packing is an artful process that ensures the creamy goodness of cheese reaches consumers in perfect condition. From start to finish, each step is planned out to make sure everything turns out just right. The machines whir and hum, while workers move with precision, making sure each item is made perfectly. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. If you are one of those who love to watch food abundance videos, let us know. With its sleek design and razor-sharp blade, this slicer makes quick work of any salami slab. Perfectly thin slices every time are ready to elevate your sandwiches. They can accommodate various bristle types, lengths, and densities, catering to a wide range of brush applications. Whether crafting toothbrushes or cleaning brushes, these machines deliver consistent results with unparalleled accuracy. Featuring precision filling, secure sealing, vibrant labeling, and real-time quality control, this line ensures optimal production output with an entire automated processing system. Motivate us to create more satisfying videos like these with the drill and smash the like button. If you like watching such satisfying videos, comment with brush so we will add more of them. Food factory processes are something anyone can watch the whole day. They're productive and satisfying. Do you agree? These advanced sealing technology guarantees airtight protection, preserving product integrity and customer satisfaction. With precision sealing and customizable options, they're elevating the packaging process and deliver an unparalleled experience to the consumers. Hot dogs are a beloved staple in many cultures, known for their convenience, versatility, and distinct flavor. They come in various forms, including beef, pork, chicken, turkey, and even vegetarian or vegan options made from plant-based ingredients like soy or tofu. These chicken skin peeler swiftly removes chicken skin from pieces, saving time and effort in food preparation, while this meat separator machine efficiently separates chicken meat from bones, ensuring high meat yield with minimal waste. Both machines are user-friendly and crafted for reliability. Designed for ease of use, they accurately measure the weight of various items. Oranges were carried by travelers and explorers along trade routes and pastimes, spreading their cultivation to different parts of the world. They were introduced to Europe by the Moors in the 9th century, and later brought to the Americas by Spanish explorers. You must add oranges in your diet whenever available, as they are packed with vitamins and minerals. This system can handle various packaging tasks, like filling the packets with a fixed amount of any product. It simply weighs and then releases a certain amount. These robots are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to knead dough, spread sauce, add toppings, and even bake pizzas to perfection, all with minimal human intervention. These robots are not only incredibly efficient, but also easy to use, ensuring consistent quality. Designed for versatility and efficiency, this pasta sauce depositor offers customizable settings to accommodate various sauce viscosities. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, vegetables support overall health and well-being. Whether you're baking, cooking, or spreading butter on toast, this smoother delivers consistently smooth results every time. As it keeps on rotating the butter material, it makes sure to perfectly smoothen every grain and particle to give silky smooth and literally buttery results. With adjustable settings, it can be easily customized to the thickness of each slice to give the perfect cuts every time. It will ease up the hassle of holding sandwiches in public. Peanut butter is like a delicious hug made from peanuts. It's smooth, creamy, and tastes amazing on just about anything. Plus, it's packed with protein and good-for-you stuff. You can use it in sandwiches, smoothies, and even desserts. Not only are they versatile and tasty, but they're also super healthy, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Whether sliced fresh in salads, cooked into rich sauces, or roasted to perfection, tomatoes add a pop of flavor and a splash of color to any dish. It's particularly useful in large-scale meat processing operations where efficiency and speed are crucial. These machines typically employ various mechanisms such as blades, rollers, or pneumatic systems to separate the meat from the bones. Meat deboner machines not only streamline the deboning process, but also improve yield and reduce labor costs in meat processing plants. The flexibility enables businesses to meet the diverse needs of their customers and adapt to changing market demands. Many packing machines are designed with hygiene and safety features, which is the primary need.